To perform your barbell front squat, start from the front rack position. With the barbell resting on your pectoral muscles and shoulders, your elbows in and up, and your glutes strong and your hamstrings strong behind you. Take a deep breath, brace your core, and dip down as deep as your hips will let you, while pushing hard through the full fit and driving up with hips extended. Continue breathing through the exercise. Perform with great form through all repetitions. The barbell front squat is an advanced exercise that challenges your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, while also challenging your posture in the front rack position. You need a rack and a barbell and a good attitude. Let's get after it. So to start the front squat, Katie has an amazing front rack position with her elbows up, driven in, and not letting her shoulders fall forward. She's got really strong posterior chain and her core is engaged. She's gonna take a deep breath as she comes down, dipping her hips as far back as her body will let it, and driving hard through the legs, through the full foot, so she engages her glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Notice how she's not falling forward in the exercise, but keeping that upright front rack position. Excellent work, Katie.